Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D solids using different methods. So I'm going to switch to the 3D modeling workspace first. So I move up right here and click on this tiny arrow and choose 3D modeling. Or move down to the status bar, click on the tiny arrow here and choose 3D modeling. Okay, so I move to the modeling panel and you can see there are two tiny arrows here. When I click on the first tiny arrow, from the drop down menu, you will find different methods you can use to create the 3D solids. Here we have the box, the cylinder, the cone, and the others. So when I click on the second tiny arrow, also find here some commands which you can also use to create 3D solids. Here is yet another one, the press pull, and also the poly solid. So I'm going to start first with this one. So I click on the tiny arrow there and I choose box. Now I want to draw a box. So I've selected the box command. So the first I will do here is to specify the first corner of the box, which is this. So the next is to also specify the length and the width of the box. You can see here that there are two banners here, the banner up and one down. The one up has a blue background, and I can switch between the up and the down banners and enter the value of the unit I want. Now the banner on the top is showing blue background. It means I can enter the width of the box. In this case, I'm going to choose 50 as a width and press the tab key to toggle to the banner below. I click on the tab key and I choose 100 as the length. Okay, so this is the width and the length of the box. The next is to specify the height, as you can see. So I move up and choose the height of 100. Enter. So I have created a box of length 100, width 50, and the height 100. So let's move on to the second method. I'm going to move this aside. Let's look at the second method, which is the cylinder. So I want to draw the cylindrical block. So I've selected the block. Now I want to specify the center point of the base of the cylinder. So I choose here the center point. Now the next I'll do here is also to specify the radius or the diameter of the cylinder. So in this case I'm going to choose 50 as well. Click on 50. So the next thing is just to specify the height. So as I'm moving the cursor, I can choose the height, 100 as the height, choose 100 as the height, and enter. So I have now created two of these objects. Let's move on to the next one. Click on the next one is cone, 3D cone. So I select the base as well. To specify the center point of the base. Again, I have to also choose not the radius or the diameter of the vehicle. And again, I choose 50. And also specify the height. Also choose 100 in this case. Okay. So I move on to the next one. Here, click on the tiny arrow again and select the sphere. The sphere, I just have to pick the center and specify the diameter of this sphere. Also make it 50 as diameter, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. That's a pyramid. Okay, 3D pyramid. So I'm going to specify the center point of the base of this pyramid, and I choose here. Okay. Now, the length, the width, and the base are equal. So I will choose 50 as the width and the base. That's a square. And specify the height of 100 as well. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is the wedge, 3D wedge. So I'm going to also choose the first corner here. Again, here I also have to specify the width and the length of the base. So in this case, I'm going to choose 50. Use the tab key to switch, and also enter 20. Okay, so the height I make it 100 as well. Okay. So the next one I'm going to do now, the last on that very list, is the torus. So I click on the torus and I have to specify the center point of that torus. I click on this. Now here I have to enter two diameters. First is the main diameter, which I will keep at, make it 50, 60. Okay, so I'm going to choose the second diameter, right click, choose the diameter for the second unit, and I can make it 5. Okay, you can see the diameter of the tube itself, what they call it, is 5, and the main ring itself is 60. So thanks for watching. This is a very short video for beginners to practice with. See you on the next tutorial.